Hi, I'm Madam Pamita, and I love teaching about magic. If you have a question about spells, the law of attraction, spirituality, witchcraft, Slavic folk magic, spirits, divination, you can join me on Sundays at the Live Magic Q&A where we record an episode of my podcast, Magic and the Law of Attraction, and then I answer your questions on anything mystical or magical live over Zoom. Just go to spellsquad.com to get the link to join me in the clubhouse. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and click the bell icon so you get a gentle, magical reminder and you'll be the first witch to see whenever anything new goes up. Here's a great tidbit from one of our past Q&As answering a really important spiritual question. Audrey says, we are moving into a new home soon. What can we do to clear and clean our new space and make it ours? Oh, such a fun thing to do. Lots and lots of things that you can do. If you like doing candle magic, we have a house candle that we have in the shop. You could get a white one for clearing and cleansing. You could get a black one for protection. You could get a colorful one for the color of the intention of what you want in your home. Blue for peace and tranquility, green for abundance, yellow for success. I mean, you can pick a color that works for whatever intention you'd like to imbue your house with. But in terms of going into your house and clearing and cleansing, you can do the things that I just mentioned before for carry. You can use an herb bundle, sometimes called a smudge stick, but herb bundles exist in lots of cultures. You can get an herb bundle and you can light it up and go through your house and clear and cleanse and imbue it. You can pick an herb bundle that has the intention of what you'd like to add to your home or clear and cleanse. As you light that herb bundle, you light it up, you let it burn a little bit, and then you blow it out so that it's smoky. And then you waft that smoke up into the corners of each room, into the closets, into the cupboards. You let that smoke permeate every square inch of your home, including closets, including cupboards, and really set the intention. You can sing as you do it. You can speak your intentional words, your spells as you do it. You can say your prayers as you do it. You can do it any way you want. If you're painting your house, you can add a little bit of a magical oil to your paint, mix it in there. And then when you paint your house, you are painting your walls with that intention, whether it's, prosperity or success or peace or love or whatever it is that you want. You could do one for a different one for every room. Why not? Right? Have fire of desire in your bedroom, baby. Why not? So you can do that as you go into each room as well. Another thing you can do is you can wash. If you're not painting, you can wash your walls or you can wash your floors and cupboards and shelves and things like that. You can add a bath crystals to your wash water and mix them in and then use them on as you're washing. You are adding that energy to your home, whatever it is that you want. So those are some ideas on ways that you can bless and cleanse your home, clear and cleanse and bless your home. Beautiful thing. You can light a candle. You can do any of those things, all good stuff. So you can really have that home and make it your own and have it be perfect for you.